Hi everybody, this is Tom Chamborn with Instructional Technologies. I'm here to talk to you today about reporting. Reporting within the ProTread system allows you to find out who has taken what lessons, how far along they are, who's completed the lessons, information like that that you can use to make sure that everybody is up to date, that people are compliant, that they've done what you've asked them to do, things like that. So you can see I've already logged into the admin system, and I'm going to go ahead and just click on the reports menu here. Inside this, I'm going to walk through the different options that you can use to find just the information that you want. This is a very powerful system. It allows you to sort by every single item in the database. If you wanted to find out everybody who has taken, say, accident procedures, you could just click that and click Generate Report. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it on all lessons, so I'm going to run a very generic report later. Lesson status. What you can do is find out who has completed lessons. It's only going to show you those who have completed lessons. It's a great way for you to go ahead and print out completion certificates. You can also find out those people who have started a lesson but they have not completed the lesson. And this is a really good way for you to export that list, hand it off to your driver managers, and tell them to get in touch with these drivers and get them to finish their lessons. The next item is the starting date range. This is the date that the people in your system started the actual lesson. So if you wanted to find out people who had started a lesson sometime in the month of May, you can go ahead and click in here and have the start date be between May 1st and May 31st. And so that's going to show you all the data for lessons that were started between May 1st and May 31st. And then the flip side of that is the completion date range. You can do the same thing. I want to know all of the lessons that were completed between May 1st and May 31st. Next item here is the site ID. If you're one of our rare clients who has more than one site ID, you can choose from that drop-down menu there. And if you are using any of these in-cab devices, that's a good way to find out, to sift and just find out who's using it on the in-cab devices. So the next section is the group ID. Groups let you group together users and lessons. And that makes assigning relevant, meaningful content a lot easier and faster. So for example, a lot of people use it for hazmat, and they assign our hazmat lessons for their recertification training. The next section here is the user ID, and for this you're searching for a specific user ID. You're going to need to put in the person's specific user ID, so in this case John Harris is the person that we're looking for, and we know that their user ID is J. Harris. And then the user status is are they active, are they inactive, or all users. Inactive users are people that you've just inactivated or deactivated in the system. When we deactivate drivers, we don't remove them from the system. They're just removed from some of the reporting. And last, you can sort all of your information by whatever data point you are sorting here. So if you want to sort everything by the date started and then have the order be ascending or descending, you can do that. So I'm going to run just a very generic report here by going through and deleting all of these really quick. And I'm going to go ahead and click the Generate Report to show you what that looks like. So this is everybody in my system, and they have, you can see those who have completed lessons have certificates that we can go ahead and print out here. Click on one of those, you can see what it looks like, and then you can just print directly from your browser. The other thing you can do is if, for example, we go back here and I say I want to know those that are in progress but not complete, you can see all of these people here. None of them have certificates, none of them have completions. What we can do is go ahead and click Export here, and that's going to download a CSV file which you can open in your favorite spreadsheet program, hand that off to your driver managers, and have them go ahead and talk to those drivers and get them to finish up those lessons. So that's the ProTread reporting system. If you have any questions or would like your account manager to provide a demo to your managers, just let them know. Thanks so much and have a safe day.